today we are going to be, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Baby Yoda. So, let's get to it. The version of Baby Yoda I'm going to be drawing is the one where he's sipping soup from episode 4. Right? I don't know. But the first step that I would do is starting with his ears. I don't know why I start with his ears, but he has these long ears, and you're just gonna make a triangle with a curve on one side, and then you're gonna make an oval with a tip, if that makes sense. It's probably confusing, but anyways, you can see that. So maybe what you can do is go over here. You can make almost an eye shape, and then go like this. So make an oval sideways, and then make a line down. And then you're gonna make an upside down C or a rainbow. And this time you're gonna make the eye shape over here, and then do that. Now the next step is to hear my dogs. Don't hear my dogs. But the next step is to draw his face. So you're just gonna do an upside down C again. Now we're gonna do his eyes, which you're going to make a C and an upside down C. And then you're gonna make another C and another C and a circle. And then once we get to the coloring in phase, we're going to color that in black. So you can do that right now. And if I'm going too fast for you, you can always pause the video and follow along. Okay, so you're going to do the exact same thing you did over here. So the 2 C's, and then the other C, and then the circle. And then we all know he has a lot of wrinkles, so you're gonna go a wavy line, a wavy line, a wavy line, and you're gonna go down here, and he has a very unusual nose. And you're just gonna connect that to the points of his eyes. So you're gonna go down with a C, and then another C with a, and then another C, if that makes sense. And then he doesn't really have a mouth in this one, so we're just gonna skip his mouth, and we're gonna do a circle, and this will just help to know where his cheeks are when we start coloring him in. And then we're gonna add even more wrinkles. Just add as many wrinkles as you want, doesn't matter. And we'll just add a tiny smile with wrinkles. You can add as many wrinkles as you want. Go crazy with it, even. Now, we're going to be drawing the soup. So you're gonna do an oval, and then one down, and then upside down C. And then you're gonna go a triangle, a triangle. And we're gonna erase this line later. And then you're just gonna extend those. And then you're going to extend the other 2, and then do a oval, but we're not gonna go over that. So you could basically do an oval, and then you can erase that line later. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing. And again, one last time. And then you're gonna do it again, but this time connect it to his head. And then do another straight line right from here to here. So you're gonna follow the oval line. And now you're gonna do the exact same thing. There's a lot of repeating in this drawing. So the 3 triangles, then extend, 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 extend the other 2, then oval, oval, and oval, and then you're gonna follow this first oval right here, and just one last oval, except this one connected to the face. Okay, now that this part of him is done, we're gonna go down, and it's a straight line down, straight line down, got the 2 straight lines down, and then you're gonna go wobbly line. And now you can just add wrinkles to the clothes. So basically make a triangle and then erase the tops of your triangles, and then an oval, and then another triangle thingy, then one straight line down. That's how I do his wrinkles. And on the cup, you can keep it classic with the same, and then we can do another oval in it, and then scheme. But then you can keep it the classic like it was in the film, or you can customize it. So I'm going to customize it, and I'm going to go Wyatt's Wonderful Soup. So you can customize it any way you want. And now that he's done, I'm going to line art it. This is very optional. You do not have to line art it to color it. And you do not need, you can have crayons, colored pencils, anything. And if you have a Sharpie, you can always outline it with a Sharpie too. But I'm going to be using taking my crayon 05 to line art it just because. But you do not have to line art it. This can be any which way you want. And you're just gonna follow, if you are line arting it, just follow the lines.
above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love.